that time of the year again when we feast our eyes on these, oops, not those, on these beautiful machines and other stuff related to motorcycles. The Makina Moto Show 2024 was still held at the SMX Convention Center last April 26 to 28. Friday tayo pumunta na merong advantage at disadvantage. Mauuna tayong makita ang mga iba't ibang pambato ng mga brands at mauuna din tayo sa mga nakasale na items, lalo na ang riding gear. Relatively, mas maunti din ang tao dahil weekday pa. Kaya lang, mas kaunti ang makikita nating motoristas na matagal lang humihingi ng stickers. Kaliwat kanang booth ang mga nag-launch ng bagong models ng motorsiklo, merong big bikes, scooters, even electric motorcycles. We were invited by BMW Motorrad Philippines as they unveiled the new electric scooter, the CE02, yung younger sibling ng CE04. Again, F900 GS. So dito tayo ngayon sa BMW booth, BMW Motorrad. So antayin tayo natin kasi at 12:30 meron silang i-unveil, no? Ayun, naka-cover. Anyway, ito yung mga bagong labas nila na mga GSS. So ito yung F900 GS na talagang pang off-road battle. Anyway, shoutout pala kay Dave. May nakausap ako kanina dito. So he's from Singapore. He's a Singaporean na nanonood daw apparently ng vlog natin, and natutuwa siyang panoorin ng pag-iikot natin sa Pilipinas. So nakakatuwa na meron nakaka-appreciate kahit sa ibang countries. Yun naman talaga yung goal natin, is to promote the Philippines. So riding here in the Philippines and checking out the tourist destinations. Okay? So nakakatuwa. Again, shoutout to you, Dave. Sana makapunta tayo sa Singapore. Makapag-ride tayo around it, no? The 1300 GS. Ito yung hari ng adventure bikes dito sa BMW Motorrad. So medyo mixed yung ano nito, yung in terms of appearance, medyo mixed yung reactions. Merong gustong-gusto siya, meron namang medyo nag-aalangan, no? Mas gusto pa rin yung luma na mas brusco na design. But overall, mas maganda siya in person kesa dun sa pictures lang. So bisitahin nyo yung showroom nila and see for yourself. Tapos mas compact siya actually. Mas compact siya overall. So para sa ating mga Pinoy, mas sakto yan. Parang made for you, bro. Grabe, oh. Magkano pa ito? Pabiling tatlo. Oo nga pala. Pag umandar ka na ng 50 kph yata, aangat siya. Yeah, tama. Malaking bagay yun. Nice. Ito naman yung F800 GS. Ito yung pinakamalapit sa atin, no? Yung F850 GS natin. Ito actually yung parang upgraded version ng F750 GS. So 900cc siya compared sa dati na 850 plus. Yung F750 GS, it's also 853cc na chinune para for the 750 version. F750 GS, F850 GS pareho ng makina, iba lang ng tuning kaya mas malakas yung horsepower ng 850. This one is the almost 900cc na 890cc. Pero F800 GS ang model name niya. Hindi pa rin siya nakamags pa rin, hindi pa rin naka-spoke wheels. Pero ang best part dito is the seat height. Sobrang baba. Almost flat foot ko siya actually, and I'm 5'6". Tiyad pa rin ako actually dun sa low seat suspension ng 850 GS. Ito halos flat foot natin. So perfect to sa mga gusto mag-adventure bike ng BMW na nagsisimula pa lang. Gusto niya abot na abot yung ground. Sir, say hi please.
Hello, this is Ray Campos. Finally met my idol JT. I've been following since the pandemic, and it's for me one of the best vloggers we have.
Thank you so much, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I hope I inspired you to tour the whole Philippines. Hopefully. You got a bike?
Ninja ako ngayon, nagpalit ako ng KTM na 1190. I can go around.
Nice. Nice meeting you, sir.
The pandemic did it.
Alright, another motorista, sir. Anong pangalan mo?
Boy Soloista Vlog, sir.
Boy Soloista Vlogs?
Yes, ha?
Parang familiar ka.
Nung nakaraang sa Inside Racing.
Ah, talaga? Nice meeting you, sir. So, magpapasign daw siya. Nakakatawa naman.
Yeah.
Sana may ganyan pala ako. Papasign din ako, no? Anyway, sige, sign tayo. Abangan natin. So, this is, may ID na tayo, no? CEO2. So, nakita nyo na yung CEO4. Ito yung smaller brother niya.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the booth of BMW Motorrad. We will be starting the program in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Our head of BMW Motorrad from the importer region, Thailand and Southeast Asia, Mr. Shivapada Ray.
Thank you so much, Nico. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to all of you. The BMW Motorrad stall at the Motor Show 2024. Philippines is the biggest market for us in the R3 world, in the Southeast Asia, and it's also one of the biggest importer markets in the world. To tell you, it's the second biggest importer market in the world for BMW Motorrad worldwide. So it's a very, very, very important market for us. The CE02 and me have something in common. Can you take a guess? Both of us are made in India. Yeah, okay, but we have a difference. It's much different for me. It's much more faster, much more quicker, 95 kilometers range, 11 kilowatt of battery, 95 is the top speed. So let me tell you, it's one hell of a big electric bike. Trust me. So without further ado, all of you want to see the launch, or we keep it for tomorrow?
Yeah!
If you guys are not on, we can do it tomorrow also. Okay, jokes apart, can I call on stage Mr. Spencer Yu, the MD? Can you have a applause for him? He helped me in the launch. So all yours.
Warm welcome from my side to the BMW Motorrad booth. BMW Motorrad is very committed to the Philippine market. We do again want to be the biggest importer market in the world. Nobody wants to be the second place. You are of course the first loser, which we do not like. So here with us is the regional marketing manager, Andrea. She's somewhere here.
Yeah! Woo! Hello. BMW Motorrad launched its new electric motorcycle, the CEO2, which is the younger sibling of the CEO4. Its motor has a rated capacity of 6.5 kilowatts with a max power of about 15 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and a max torque of 55 Newton meters. It has a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour, an acceleration of 0 to 50 kph in 3 seconds, and a range of about 95 kilometers. It has a seat height of 750mm and a weight of 132 kilograms. It also has a reverse assist function for added convenience.
Since this is the top spec version, quick charger is standard. Every C02 comes with a quick charger and charges from 0 to 100% in just 3.5 hours. Now if you're at 20%, you can bump up your charge up to 80% in just 1.4 hours. The price of the all-new C02 is 595,000 pesos. 595,000 pesos for a top-of-the-line CE02. Also take note that like any other BMW Motorrad product, it comes with a 5-year warranty or 500,000 kilometer warranty, whichever comes first.
12 seconds later.
Marami ring nakasale na SEC Moto Supply items. So andito tayo ngayon sa SEC Moto Supply and update ko lang kayo. Friday pa lang ngayon para sa mga pupunta mamaya at saka Saturday and Sunday. Alam nyo na dito sa SEC kung ano ang best deal. Ito, sobrang laki ng discount at marami pang freebies. We have the Moon, SEC Moon. This is 30% discount. So kung magkano na lang yung compute, no? Sobrang baba na yan. So ito yung mga half face, no? Half face para sa mga dyan lang yung punta, or syempre sobrang init ngayon, perfect na perfect yan. Tapos ito, kung gusto nyo ng carbon na very sporty, SEC Destiny, naka carbon fiber ka na helmet, oh. So ito ang SRP nya 9,500 pesos, less 30%. Imagine nyo 6,000 plus na lang, less than 7,000. Tapos may freebies pa. Asan po ang mga freebies? Ma'am? Ilabas naman po. Yan, so t-shirt. Meron tayong t-shirt, chin mount. May gloves pa tayong free. Tapos syempre sticker, ano to, keychain. And sec cap. Tapos ano yun para makakuha ng payong? Magkano ang kailangan? 10,000. Pag 10,000 worth na bilhin nyo, may additional pa na payong. Imagine nyo lahat yan, magkano yung worth yan. Tapos discounted pa. So tara, punta na kayo dito. Baka maubusan pa kayo. Let's go! Inimbitahan din tayo ng Honda Philippines for their launch ng new big bikes. The CBR RR-R Fireblade now has an improved tank shape and winglet, just among the changes in the new model.
The all-new CBR 650R.
Next was the sport bike CBR 650R and its naked counterpart, the CB 650R, with both having an option of the e-clutch, so shifting gears is now more seamless.
Honda e-clutch, the world's first technology that achieved a smoother gear shifting.
For the 500cc's, they launched the CB500 Hornet and the next version of their CB500X adventure bike, the NX500. They also introduced the Honda RoadSync, where you can safely navigate, make and take calls, play music, and more by pairing your bike to your mobile phone and Bluetooth accessories. They also offered a lower seat option for the Africa Twin to be more accessible to shorter riders. Here are the new bike's suggested retail prices. So this is the Transalp 750. So makikita natin yung itsura ngayon na naka-touring package siya. Makita nyo may mga side panniers. Oo. Bagay na bagay, oh. Ito maganda dito. Ideally, para sa akin, okay na okay yung plastic kasi mas magaan din siya. So na-test drive natin to last time. Comparing to sa younger sibling niya, which is the CB500X. Ngayon ay mayroon ng release na NX, no? NX500. Ito syempre a lot more powerful and mas gusto ko yung handling niya.
Yung pila, at mag-aantay ng tatlo o hanggang isang araw, 3 oras o hanggang isang araw sa mga bangko. Kung hindi mo kilala yung manager, pila ka. Kung wala kang connection, lalo ka mag-aantay.
NX. So ito motorisas yung NX500. Mas mukha siyang hawig na siya ni Transalp actually. So I don't know, baka mas maliit lang ng konti. Pa niya motorisas. Kita nyo, medyo yung shape niya mula dito sa likod hanggang doon, yan, parang CB500X pa rin. Pagdating sa harap, yun, doon na nabago.
Bukod sir dito sa front end, syempre mo itong sir, yung panel niya.
Ano na? TFT?
TFT na siya sir, so may control na tayo dito.
Tapos ano? May control sa tayo dito. Control mo na yung panel niya. Nice. Pero nandun pa rin, syempre ABS, traction control kompleto pa rin, no? Ito yung mas batang kapatid lang ni Transalp, na?
Sir. Kung titignan niyo yung niya.
Oo nga, hawag din eh. Oo, ganun din. Hello, hi! Nga, ito yung Hornet. So ito yung Hornet, yung naked version naman. Buti naglagay sila ng bago naked version. The Rebel. I think this is the 500. This is the 1100. Tingnan nga natin. Yeah, ito pala ang Yeah, so sorry po, sorry.
500 sir.
Rebel, ito 1100 kasi walang clutch eh, dual clutch.
Ito yung bagong variant natin.
Oo, iba yung mukha niya eh.
Pero ano sir, ito kasing unit na to specifically is accessorized na.
Kaya pala may ganito.
Head cowl.
Oh, head cowl.
Sir, dyan, itong front fork cover. Same with the lever. So yung stock po nito sir is
hindi adjustable. Ito ganito. Okay.
Ito adjustable.
Okay.
Same po nito.
Yung seat.
Ito. Main seat. Ito yung accessory din po. And same with the tank pad.
Ayun.
Yes po.
Okay.
Also sir, is itong accessory socket natin. So,
wala ba ito yung yung stock walang ganito?
Wala sir ito.
So mabibili lahat to sa Honda?
Yes sir, sa mga
okay. Thank you.
399,000.
Yung 1100?
650,000.
650. Okay, thank you. CB650R. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung... Ano masasabi niya sa headlight, motoristas? Compared din sa tulad ng sa utol ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong version yung may E-version, E-clutch. Ah, ito na yung E-clutch. Ito na yung E-clutch, motoristas eh. Parang lalagyan ko ng tools ah. Sa GS. Solid motorista daw dito. Simula daw nung 2017 nanonood na sila.
Hi!
Ano mga pangalan niyo, ma'am, sir?
Ako si Sharon.
Ako si Gabi. Ay, sino pa? Manuel. Manuel, ayan.
S-Choco po.
Ayun, nice meeting you. Baka may shoutout kayo.
Shoutout sa anak namin na nasa bahay.
Naiwan.
Hindi kasi sa motor ngayon.
Hindi kasi. Oo nga naman. Tsaka ano, pang shopping ng parents to. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Thank you. Finally.
B4S, oh. Aangas talaga. Cyber. Krapovich. Royal Enfield. Ito din yung inaabangan natin. Ito yung Himalayan 450. Uy! Ito pala ito. Kumusta, brother?
Holds 2 and 3 at the Royal Enfield booth.
Mabuhay! Magandang hapon. I hope I spell it correctly because I'm from Indonesia. And Royal Enfield's really happy to be here in Makina Motor Show 2024. So with Aurora, we will have 3 new colors. The Aurora Blue, Aurora Green, and Aurora Black.
Look, but updated technology for more comfortable riding. So I would like to call on the Royal Enfield team.
First up, we have the AE6. Ito yun, our AE6. You guys can check it out over here, which comes in different models as well. Now, it's a sleek and powerful electric vehicle designed for the everyday choice for city dwellers. Now, once again, this is our AE2. Ayan, nakikita nyo. And you guys have the AE2 City Sport. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, these vehicles are a glimpse of the future of mobility. Kaya naman, we're inviting you guys to check out the City Sport.
So walang laman to, walang gasolina. So most probably, ano to? Storage? I don't know. Inupuan natin ito kanina, motoristas. Ang gaan pala niya. Grabe. Tapos ang angas din ng mukha, oh. So na-miss ko bigla yung naked bike ko. Nakakatawa. Anyway, Jazz X 8S. Ito naman yung 1000cc version niya. Jazz X S, nakakabulod. Jazz XS 1000. Okay, so kakatapos na interview natin dito sa kasama natin, JC Vlogs. Bro, pakilala mo.
Hi! JOY, Zay Victory LOGS, JC Vlogs. Ayan, nagre-review tayo ng motor and travels, katulad ni Sir. Ayan po, thank you very much.
Yeah, check out yung page niya na na-interview niya tayo. Ingat, brother, ha? Ito, from Marinduque at saka Mindoro. Sige po, hi po kayo.
Hi.
Saan kayo sa Marinduque, sir?
Sa Agasan, sir.
Agasan, oo. Si ma'am naman sa Oriental, Mindoro.
Pinamalayan.
Pinamalayan? Ah, sa Pinamalayan!
Shoutout sa grupo ko sa MCRC, Marinduque Centro Riders Club.
Ayan. Babalik tayo doon, boss. Thank you po. Hi, ma'am. Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hola, so meron akong papakilala sa inyo na nagme-message na to sa akin na motorista. Kasi, sige, ikaw na magkwento. Paano ba? Sige.
2018.
2018, oh.
NMAX days nyo pa yun.
NMAX days, oh.
College pa kami noon, dentistry. Actually, hindi ako marunong magmotor dati.
Hindi ka marunong magmotor dati? Tapos kakanood mo?
Kakanood ko ng vlog mo, sir. Gusto ko magmotor. Start ako Mio.
Mio, okay.
Tapos after 1 month, ADV. And then, big bike ka.
Oh.
Look. Big bike ako.
Anong motor mo ngayon?
Dominar. Tapos ngayon, Trident na.
Trident.
Tapos nagme-message ako, sir. Kasi yung motor talaga ang ano namin, stress reliever, no? Talaga.
Stress reliever daw. Nakakatawa naman.
Gagala kami. Lahat ng napuntahan, sir, tinitignan namin. Kasi doon kami tumiting ng January.
Kakatabaan ng puso. Kasi nga, sabi niya, nung nag-aaral pa lang sila, yun yung pamalipas ng oras nila. Tsaka na, yun nga, natutuwa din sila na entertain sa mga pinupuntahan natin. Kaya sabi niya, nag-offer siya na, kung okay lang pambagitin yun. So nag-offer siya na bumisita ako sa clinic niya, offer daw siya ng services na nakaka-inspire din. Kasi yung kwento niya, di ba, na nag-start siya ng estudyante, ngayon, ganap na dentist na siya. So, salamat, brother, ha. Nice meeting you, and nakakatawa. Salamat sa pag-share mo ng kwento mo. Ride tayo. Yeah. Later in the afternoon, humabol sina Grabe Concepcion at ang iba pa niya mga kasama. Dahil weekday, puro hindi makakapunta ang ibang kasama natin sa motor. And that's our quick experience at the 2024 Makina Moto Show. Sayang at di na tayo makakapunta sa susunod na 2 araw, pero siguradong mas marami pang tao ang pupunta dito. Sa mga na-meet kong motoristas, nice meeting you all. Sana makaride ko kayo soon. Karamihan man ay hindi ko na naisama sa vlog dahil sa kabisihan, na-appreciate ko po ang paglapit nyo. Sobrang dami ng models. I mean ng motor. Panalo lagi ang consumers sa dami ng choices at lalong magiging competitive na din ang mga prices nila. Ikaw, anong motor ang tumawag ng pansin sa'yo? Or plano mong bilhin in the near future? Comment below. Kita-kits sa susunod. Once again, this is JT of Motor. Adios, motoristas!